How are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, our next topic is multiplication of fraction. Multiplication of fraction. Students, all of you know that to multiply a fraction by a whole number, we multiply the numerator of the fraction and the whole number, keeping the denominator same. And to multiply two fraction, we multiply their numerator to get the numerator of the product and multiply their denominators to obtain the denominator of the product. Basically, we call that to multiply a whole number with a proper or an improper fraction, we multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction, keeping the denominator same. Here students, you try this. You have to find the product, like you multiply 2 multiplied by 3 and this one is your denominator 7. 2 multiplied by 3, so we get the answer 6 upon 7. So all of you have to try this. Students, we start our exercise 2.2. In question number 1, which of the drawings A to D show? यहाँ पर A से लेकर D तक की जो ड्राइंग्स हैं उनमें से ये कौन से फ्रैक्शंस है जिन्हें शो करते हैं. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1/5. हियर यू सी इन दिस पिक्चर in one circle there are 5 parts and one part is shaded, and there are 2 circles and each have 5 parts and one part is shaded. So this is match with first one. So here you write 2 multiplied 1/5 is matches with D. Now go to the next one, 2 multiplied by 1/2. Here you see that there are 2 figures and in both the figures the half part is shaded. So 2 multiplied 1/2 is match with B. Third one is 3 multiplied by 2/3. Here you see there are 3 pictures and each have 3 parts and the 2 parts are shaded. So 3 multiplied 2/3 is matches with A. Next 3 multiplied by 1/4. Here you see there are 3 pictures and every picture has 4 parts and one part is shaded. In each picture there are 1 part shaded in 1/4. So 3 multiplied 1/4 is matches with C. In question number 2, some pictures A to C are given below. Here A, B and C. Tell which of them show. इनमें से हमें ये बताना है कि सेम जैसा हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट किया है, हमें अब इसको पता करना है. हियर यू सी 3 multiplied by 1/5 is equal to 3/5. So you see in that pictures there are 3 figures, each have 5 parts and one part is shaded. 3 pictures represent this one, 5 parts represent this one, shaded part represent this one, and 3/5 shows that one. So first one is match with C. Now go to the second. 2 multiplied by 1/3 is equal to 2/3. You show in picture number A there are 2 figures and each figure have 3 parts and one part is shaded. So we get the answer here, 2 parts shaded in 3 parts. So that one is correct answer, A. Now 3 multiplied 3/4 is equal to 2 1/4. 2 1/4, or we write it. Here you see that there are 3 pictures, each have 4 parts and all the 3 parts are shaded in each figure. So we get the answer 2 complete figures plus 1/4. So this 2 represent that one and 1/4 shows this one. So here we completed question number 2. Now go to the question number 3. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. So the first one is 7 multiply 3/5. So we convert it into or reduce to the lowest form. So 7 multiplied by 3 upon 5. 7 3s are 21 upon 5. This one is lowest form, and we convert it into mixed fraction. To find it, we divide 21 by 5. So 5 4s are 20 and the remaining is 1. So we write it like that. Denominator is same. We multiply 4 with 5 and the remainder is 1. So that one is our answer. So students, all these questions are your homework to try this and solve it.